When it comes to enhancing your Gaithersburg home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and comfort, choosing the right windows is one of the most impactful decisions you'll make. Windows not only serve as functional parts of your home, but they also add aesthetic value and contribute to overall energy performance. But with so many styles, materials, and options available, how do you know which windows are the best fit for your Gaithersburg home? Let's break it down to make the selection process easier for you. Understand your home's style. The first step in choosing the right windows for your Gaithersburg home is to consider the architectural style of your home. Gaithersburg features a variety of home styles, from charming colonial homes to modern townhouses and spacious ranches. The windows you choose should complement your home's style, enhancing both its beauty and functionality. Colonial homes typically look great with double-hung or casement windows. These classic designs fit seamlessly with the formal lines of the architecture. Contemporary or modern homes often pair well with sleek, minimalistic window designs, such as picture windows or large, expansive glass panels, to bring in natural light and showcase the surrounding landscape. Cape Cod or cottage-style homes might benefit from windows with grids and smaller sections, giving them a more traditional and cozy feel. Matching your window choice with the style of your home helps create a balanced and cohesive look. Prioritize energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a key consideration when selecting windows. In Gaithersburg, where winters can be cold and summers warm, energy-efficient windows will help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round while also reducing your energy bills. Look for windows that are ENERGY STAR certified, as these are designed to provide superior insulation. Double or triple pane windows with argon or krypton gas between the panes are excellent for preventing heat transfer, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. You can also consider low emissivity, low E, glass, which reflects infrared heat while allowing natural light to pass through. These windows can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and long-term comfort. Consider window materials. Windows come in a variety of materials, and each has its own set of benefits. The material you choose will affect both the aesthetic and the performance of your windows. In Gaithersburg, with its fluctuating temperatures and occasional storms, selecting durable materials is essential for long-lasting performance. Vinyl windows are popular due to their affordability, low maintenance, and good insulation properties. They don't need to be painted and are resistant to moisture, making them a great choice for homes in areas that experience high humidity or heavy rain. Wood windows offer a classic, elegant look that can enhance the warmth of your home. They provide good insulation, but they may require more maintenance over time, as wood can expand, contract, and deteriorate when exposed to the elements. Fiberglass windows are incredibly durable, resistant to moisture and temperature fluctuations, and offer excellent energy efficiency. These windows require minimal maintenance and are great for long-term performance. Aluminum windows are known for their strength and sleek look. However, they tend to conduct heat and cold, which may not be ideal for energy efficiency. If you go with aluminum windows, make sure they have a thermal break to help improve insulation. Choosing a material that suits both your budget and your climate is key to achieving long-lasting performance. Choose the right window style. The window style you choose will also play a role in the functionality and aesthetic of your home. There are a variety of window styles to consider, depending on your preferences and the room's needs. Double-hung windows are a classic option that allows for both top and bottom sashes to move, providing excellent ventilation. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward, offering great ventilation and a clear, unobstructed view. Sliding windows are a great option for smaller spaces and are easy to operate with a smooth, horizontal motion. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that provide panoramic views and allow ample natural light into your home. Think about how each style fits with the function of the room, as well as how it will improve your view and airflow. Work with a local expert. Finally, choosing the right windows for your Gaithersburg home is made much easier when you partner with a local expert who understands the area's climate, design trends, and building codes. A window professional can help you navigate the different options, recommend energy-efficient solutions, and ensure that your windows are installed correctly for maximum performance. By considering your home's style, energy needs, material options, and window style, you can make an informed decision that improves the comfort, beauty, and efficiency of your home. Whether you're renovating, upgrading, or building a new home, taking the time to choose the right windows is an investment that will pay off for years to come.